Hi, it's Todd at Filament Lighting, and we're trying to give your dining room a new look. If you're going for that organic, whimsy look, I have 3 ideas for you in 3 different budgets. Here's some ideas for your dining room if you're going for something different, not the norm, something that's just a little bit more different than what your neighbors have down the street. The first one I have is a Cappy Shell. It's really popular right now. It's really inexpensive. This one is in a bronze finish, which is still very popular, and comes in several different sizes, but it's very budget friendly, and it's something that you can put in kind of any dining room. You could put it over a traditional table. You could put it over a very contemporary table. It's just a great whimsy look. My medium price point idea is my personal favorite. It is an acrylic Antler, but it's painted silver. So it has a shiny sheen to it. A whimsical look, and again, can go in any dining room. I would put it in a very traditional dining room. I would put it in a very modern dining room. It's just a great look. And this is my idea towards the higher end of the budget. We have it pictured here in a natural finish, but they're great if you can paint them colors too. Like the one we have in the showroom here is spray painted white, so it's really bright and modern feeling, but it's just whimsy and cool and fun. It could go in a very traditional, it could go in a contemporary, it can go in really any type of room, and it just adds this whimsical twist. If you like any of these options, click on the links below or shoot us an email at info@filamentlighting.com. Shoot us some pictures of your dining room and we'll give you some great whimsical organic ideas.